Guess what we're doing today? We're decorating cakes. Let's head on in to the Carnival kitchen as we learn from some culinary pros. So I'm going to go ahead and ask everybody, if you like cake, if you like icing, if you like cooking, and if you like food, to give us a like. Did everybody hear that? He just said we couldn't take this cake out of here. So that means I have to eat all of it here. I was doing such a great job that they felt that since this is my first time ever decorating a cake, that I deserve a personal assistant. I don't know about most y'all, but I'm pretty sure you can buy this icing already in something. Very happy for y'all to meet my main personal assistant, Chelsea, along with Chef Russell, who oversees all the cakes that's baked on Carnival Mardi Gras. Yes, and having the assistant clean up as I worked is great. I do the same thing at home.
You will see that you have a kind of so you start to turn your cake stand around until you reach to the point where you started at first. And just
cake decorations was one of those classes that filled up early. And when we got on board, we went to guest services and asked to be put on a list. And they ended up giving us a call and sending us our little envelope that they put on your door. And we were very happy to be able to do this.
make 2 parts on the side of your cake.
Even it up. Thank you for that. Okay, who cut? One here, one here, somewhere? Okay. Got a little inside information here from chef to chef about when you're cutting a cake, in case you mess it up a little bit, how to fix that. Here I was taught how to smooth out the icing and then to help fix the areas where you may have cut it too thin or too thick. So one of the little secrets on how you fix that when you cut is you use a lot more icing. And when you use a lot more icing, they got to go get you some more icing. So yeah, laying it on thick, I'm pretty good at. Watch what's coming up. There's a thief right beside me. All right. As you can see, she really is very, very good to me.
Thank you.
You didn't say that about my... After Marcia fixed my icing, I was pretty afraid to touch it because I figured I would mess it up. Throughout the rest of the vlog, you'll see pictures of other classmates and their cakes in our cake decorating class.
And you will get a brown.
I'm going to edit all that out that she did, and then I'm going to make it look like it was me. It'll be on YouTube.
And what we will do first is take on the top of the cake.
Not sure if it's offered on all Carnival ships, but the Carnival Kitchen, we highly recommend. It was so enjoyable, and you can learn to roll sushi. There was a cupcake class, barbecue. There were so many things to do in the kitchen. We enjoyed meeting everyone in the cake decorating class. And these two ladies right here, they were from not far from where I grew up in the coal fields of West Virginia.
When you're doing this.
Now it's time to cut the cake, and one of the best parts is the tasting.
Look at that. Yeah, layered. Not real pretty, but I tried. Oh, your layers coming out of here a lot better than mine.
So coming up, take a look at the couple of cakes. You have Marsha's cake. Now I want you to vote and put in comments, please. Whose do you choose? Or Kurt's better looking cake.
The layers. Oh, it's a little runny on that side, I guess. We're cut through it.
That buttercream icing on the cake is delicious.
Put your mascot to this.
Really recommend doing something like this. This was great on a sea day just after breakfast. Here is our CME traveling decorating picture. We thank everybody for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to support us, subscribe.